Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the new Team Magic J-Star. Now this is based on the E6 platform, but unlike the E6HX, this one can actually run on 6S, and I'm very curious to see what sort of top speed we can get out of this thing. I've got two 2S batteries in there. We're going to test it out on 4S first, and then we'll whack a couple of 3S packs in those trays and see what this thing can actually do fresh out of the box. Alright, here we go. First pass, 4S. Is this thing going to go all over the place, or I'm actually doing that? Don't worry, the car's not twitchy or anything. I'm just checking my steering. Here we go, now first pass. Ooh. 45. Now, that's not very fast at all, but it was swaying. It was swaying a bit. I might just turn down my dual rates just to minimize and soften the center of the steering there, minimize any sort of glitching in the steering. Here we go. Second pass, Noah. Got those LEDs hooked up. Well, no, we're gonna have to go again because that was really bad. Let's try that again. Well, there's no way I'm going to get a top speed reading of this on 6S. Absolutely no way at all. If I can't even get full speed out of 4S, what chance do I have in 6S? Oh, here we go. Now I got it. Full speed. How much? 54. Not too bad. Alright, alright. Definitely geared for torque. For wheelies. Alright, let's do one last one. Look at that, as soon as I accelerate a little bit, the thing just sways everywhere. This is going to be dangerous on 6S, oh god. Alright, here we go, Noah. That's full speed. How much? 54 again, there we have it. That's what it'll do. Fresh out the box, brand spanking new. No changes done, other than the connectors. Of course, I'm running XT150s. Now, unfortunately, I don't have my GPS. The battery has gone flat on that, so a little bit unfortunate. We're not going to get GPS readings today, but at least we know that it can do about 54 kilometers an hour, and that's not too bad for 4S. A little bit under geared, I will admit, but maybe it's geared with 6S in mind. Let's see what we can do with that. All right, here we go. Get ready for some sketchy driving, because I very much doubt I'm going to be able to hold this thing past half throttle on 6S. Going out a bit here. Oh, cars. First car today. Let's just pull over to the side. Okay, Noah. Let's go again. I'll turn the car around. And we'll come in for our first pass on 6S. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's already swaying all over the place. Oh, there's no way. There is no way. How much? 65. Well, we did go faster. We did go faster, but there's no way. There is no way you can hold this down. Not with those tires anyway. This thing's definitely got power. Plenty of it, in fact, but it's keeping it in a straight line. That's just damn near impossible. Look at it. I'm not even at half throttle. It's already swaying, swaying, swaying. Oh, it's going all over the There's just no chance. 64 that time. That's about as much as I can squeeze out of it before it goes bonkers on me. All right, last run, Noah. See if you can get anywhere near 70. This is probably capable of doing 80-ish, 5 maybe? I don't know, but yeah, good luck. Good luck to whoever owns this truck and try to do a flat-out speed run without modifying it, because out of the box there's just no chance. $69, hey, not bad, not bad. We beat our previous best. I'm happy with that. I think this is a standing backflip kind of monster truck. Lots and lots of power. I don't know if it's got usable power though, but man, it's got a lot of power, this thing. Well, there we have it. That's all I can get out of it, unfortunately, guys. Probably a little bit anticlimactic. Some of you were probably expecting more, but unfortunately without a wheelie bar, without anything to sort of stabilize the truck, and without some decent tires that don't balloon like crazy, because these ones are quite soft, it's going to be really hard to get a proper top speed reading out of this thing. It definitely has the power. That I know for sure, because I can feel it in the trigger. I'm nowhere near full throttle when I come past, and as you can see, it's swaying all over the place, which is pretty common for these high center of gravity monster trucks. Alright, that's going to do it for me. Thank you all very much for watching. Please be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. That's it from me. See you next time. Bye.